Okay, this is what I call a Napolitano pizza, okay? With a cornicione right there, see? This guy, very important, right? Check the bottom here. Yeah, it's cooked. Nice. Beautiful. Oh my God, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put a little tear here. And that's what I'm talking about. Let me get a scissor. Okay, when we cut, look, it's like paper. All right, that's what you want right there. See this? This is beautiful. That's what I call a homemade Napolitana pizza from the oven. See? Still going. Bon appetit. I'm gonna devour this. Look how this beauty folds, huh? That's what I call. Oh my God, look at this. See? Everywhere I go, it's the same. And that's what you want. And this is very hard to do, but I'm going to teach you how to do this at home.